Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on additional settings, click languages and input, manage keyboards and settings. From here go into theme and tap on show more to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick a color by clicking on it, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on, and tap apply. You can do the same with one of your images. So now when I go black, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!